Website rendering in Next.js. For that I have created a new Next.js app and I am using Next.js 15, and here I am getting data from JSON placeholder. I am using Face API. For server-side rendering you need to use Face API, and it is built in Web API in JavaScript, and you need to must explicitly add the cache no store for server-side rendering. And you can also use export dynamics or for route configuration that force dynamics, so it will also be worked, and you don't need to set the explicit cache no store, so you can use here or here that you choose and your use case. So here just normal, if I don't have user then return no user found, and if I have users then just displaying that users here. So here it is how you can use SSR or static site rendering in Next.js. So that is it. So thank you.